Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity, and this is one of the direct hiring from the analytics vidya, and this is a hackathon type of this, and company means IQQI AI Fellowship Challenge 2025. So coming to this, there are lots of perks in this. You will get direct interview, and it will basically increase your visibility to recruiter. And 20th Jan to 8th March registration is going on, so still registration is live and it will end within 7 days. So you can see almost 22,000 students have registered it. So this is one the wonderful opportunity. Talking a little bit more about that, so they are basically working on various things especially related to AI. You know, this is the world of AI, and today AI play a critical role in our life. So this is a hackathon related to that. Gen AI, AI/ML, data engineering, analytics professional are encouraged to apply for this. Bonuses, you can win the prize, cash prize up to 20 lakh. Okay, and why not participate, or why participate? So why participate? Direct interviews with fractal analysis for top performance, rupees 20 lakh prize pool, and for 1 lakh rank professionals and verified public rank you will get that basically separate you from the cloud. So you can say this is the wonderful opportunity and everyone should apply. Will also get national recognition, and these are the prize pool. So top 3 winner will get this kind of money. Okay, and rank 4 1000. And eligibility criteria is what? That Gen AI developer, ML AI engineer, data scientist, data engineer analytics, or engineering students and freshers are not eligible to participate. Okay, so this is not the for engineering student freshers, but no need to worry. I came with some other opportunity for freshers too. That is from the Sigmoid. They are looking for talented freshers to join the data ops team as intern. So you'll work as an intern. So if you are from BE, BTech or MCA background for from 2024, 2025, 2026, then you can apply for this. And internship start date is 4th of March. So this will be a basically uh, means hiring process will complete soon. So you should apply. Next important opportunity from the IIMs, they are hiring for the software engineer intern role, DevOps, and this is also internship. So 2026, 2024 all can apply, and you can go through complete job link in the description. And if you are interested, you can apply directly from the LinkedIn. Okay, so friends, I regularly post lots of important job update in my YouTube channel. So currently IBM hiring is going on, especially if you are 2025 or 2026 pass out, and if you haven't applied, then you should apply for the Wipro or IBM hiring. And TCS NQT hiring is already going on. I have already launched the playlist related to coding series. So if you haven't gone through that, you can go through and you can join our WhatsApp or Telegram group for getting any job opportunity updates and free preparation material for upcoming hiring. Soon Cognizant, Wipro and other off-campus hiring will be announced. So I will provide all the video related to that. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask or comment here. I will be very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.